So now let's go to Capcut. You can see a box at the top, just click it. It was the feature overview. The first one is the split and sort. So you just need to click the picture or the video and split it or cut it. And you can sort it as you choose. Next is the effects. On the effects, you can explore and you can choose a lot of effects. It's just depend on you, on your style and design. And the third one is the curve. And the curve, it's up to you also which curve you wanted to add. Just click the video and choose. Next would be the overlay. On overlay, you can choose on the stock videos or your own videos nor picture which one you wanted to overlay. And next is the Chroma key. Mostly they use Chroma key when they use green screen, but you can use it also in another, not only green screen. And next is transition. There's a lot of transition that you can choose. You just need to explore inside of it. And next is the keyframe. On keyframe, they usually use it on overlay also and flash warning. You can collab or combine it on transition also. And lastly is the auto caption. It's up to you if you wanted to put caption or not. But mostly you can use on subtitle like that.